Okay, so we're going to review factoring. Okay, so when I'm factoring, I need to remember I have my quadratic term, my linear term, and then my constant. Now, when I'm looking at these, I'm also looking at the sign. So I will sometimes go like this just so I remember the sign, okay? So I want to put my quadratic term here, my my constant sign here, then my linear term always goes here. Okay, and so I do x squared and then negative, and then I put my negative 12 because that's my constant. And then my linear term goes here, which is negative 4x. Now, on the top here, I do my linear term, my quadratic term, multiplied by my linear term. So I get negative 12x squared. So the yellow is saying the quadratic times the linear. Now, I need to figure out what multiplies to negative 12, but adds to negative 4. And so I like to write out my factors. So 1 and 12 multiplies to 12. 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Okay, and so I want to find out, since it's a negative, I know it's the difference between the two. Okay, so I know 12 and 1 is 11. The difference is 4, and the difference is 1. Cool, because I know, hey, this one, it's like 12 minus 1, 6 minus 2, and 3 minus 4. Okay, so I know 6x and 2x. Since this is negative 4x, my negative 6 has to be bigger. Okay, so negative 6x, 2x. Boom. Okay, now I want to go ahead and find the GCF of these two values. Okay, which is x. Now, x times x is x squared. Now, I want to think, what times x gives me 2x? 2. What times x gives me negative 6x? Negative 6. Now, I think, does 2 times negative 6 equal negative 12? Yes. And so then I get x plus 2 times x minus 6. Okay, so what term goes where the red line is in the top left? Get my quadratic, so 3x squared. And then the green line, I should get 21. On the blue line, I should put the... Okay, and then what do I need to do with the quadratic and my constant? I need to what? Multiply. And so I get 63x squared. Okay, so now you guys can see the factors of 63. 163 are 3 and 21. Oh, and then 7 and 9. So what factor pair do I want to use? 7x and 9x. So I put 7x here, 9x. Okay, on your own, I want you to try to factor this out. So to give me these here, and I will show you my answer in a second. Awesome, so now we're going to factor this out. I'm going to start here. The GCF of 3x squared and 7x is x. X times 3x gives me 3x squared. And x times 7 is 7x. 3x times 3 is 9x. And then 3 times 7 is 21. Perfect. So now I get 3x plus 7 and x plus 3.